So the next data type is what we call undefined. Undefined is the value JavaScript uses when it doesn't have a value for something. For example, when you create a new variable, if you don't set its value to anything using the equal operator, its value will be set to undefined. For example, in this variable, it will output undefined the result because you don't assign a value to this variable. In the case, if you make console log and you try to see the result, you'll see it will output undefined. Exact? Perfect. So let's see the next type of data in this first group of data type. So the next data type is what we call null. The null value is actually used when you want to deliberately say this is empty. For example, let empty value equal null. So you set deliberately the null value in this variable, and the result of this variable will be null. Got it? Perfect. So the next data type is BigInt. JavaScript BigInt is a new data type that can be used to store integer values that are too big to be represented by a normal number. So we use this kind of data type to represent. You can write it like this: let BigInt number, let BigInt num equal BigInt all this number. This is how you can write it. You can also write it like this: BigInt number. It's also correct. So this kind of data it was installed with the ES 2020 version. The ES 2020 version. So let's see the next data type. The last data type that we have to learn is symbol. In JavaScript, the symbol is a primitive data type introduced in ES 6. It is created using the symbol function, which returns a unique symbol value each time it is called. For example, let's sim1 we create this variable. We create this variable. Let sim1 equal symbol 4. the second variable, this is the second variable. So when you console log the sim1, you'll get the symbol 4 as result. And when you write, you console log sim2, you'll get this symbol bar as result. So this is all about the 7 primitive data type of JavaScript. Now let's see what is the derived JavaScript data type.